Okay guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I want to show you guys on how you can verify your MEXC Global account on this tutorial video. You guys should just stick around to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so that you can understand on how you can verify your MEXC Global exchange account on this tutorial video. And if you're a new member here to my YouTube channel here, try to subscribe, like and share this video to all your friends to know on how you can verify your MEXC Global account on this tutorial video. Okay, so once you log into your account like this, it's a fresh new account. Okay, I've already explained on how you can register, but this video just build how can you verify your account on this tutorial video. That is what I want to teach you right now in this video, so that you can understand on how you can verify your account. So when you log in like this on your browser or on your or on your mobile app, just come to this image of person here. Click on that area I point. When you click on the area, you're gonna try to see various options like wallet, orders, overview, identification, security. All right, just come to this area and click on identification. All right, click on this identification. You have to just wait for it to load up so that you guys, all right, it's loading up for me right away, guys. Okay, it's loading. So once it loads, you have to just try to put your personal information, your name, your ID, everything that is, okay. You have to just wait for it to load up very well. It's loading. Okay, so can you see this is switch? Can you see? So you can watch some video here, whatever. So okay, let me just then can you increase your 24-hour withdrawal limit to 200 BTC in a day. This is primary one. This is personal info. This is primary one, and this is advanced KYC. So you can do this one wherever. Okay, so let me just start with this advanced key here. So let me just click on this verify. I have to just try to put in all my information. I have to just select my country. All right, I'm Nigerian. I'm from Nigerian. Okay, all right, this is Nigerian. I have to just select my ID type. All right, yeah. Okay, then all right, I can use ID. Let me just click on ID. All right, okay, just click on this confirm button right now, guys. Then you have to just click on confirm button to try to put all your information. So just wait for it to load up. It's loading up right now, guys. Okay, it's loading up for me. I have to just wait for it to load up. Okay, it's loading. Make sure you guys just give me a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are enjoying this video at the moment. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so let me just try to put all my info, because I may not show you all this area because of the security reason. So I will show you when I verify. So just make sure to follow the process, everything. Then you click on I have confirmed here. Then you have to just click on next, then to proceed with everything here. So, okay, so all right, so you have to just click on next and proceed. So let me just try to pause the video, then let me continue. All right, let me continue right away, guys. Let me just click on this allow. All right, to proceed, and I will get back to you. Let me just click on this. Okay, all right. Can you see my KYC has been verified successful? Can you see everything has been verified successful? This how to just do it. If you are from Nigerian, you can use your NIN to just verify your account. If you are from Nigerian, you can use your NIN to verify your account. And even let me just check my email, see that everything. Can you see? Can you see your can you see this is the I got the email. Dear user, your identity verified. You can now enjoy 224 hours withdrawal of 200 BTC. Happy trading. Then you can now you can also, can you see, you have passed the MEXC. Click to claim 1,000 bonus on reminder to protect your account security. Please relevant security from MEXC. Thank you. Then can you see so I've already done the verification, very simple and easy. So I've already verified my KYC, everything has been verified. So guys, this is how to just do it. Then you can add some security to your account. like you can add Google Authenticator, everything to your account, everything. Then you are good to go to start trading on MEXC. Thank you guys for watching the video. Try to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you guys for watching. So please have to just verify your MEXC account. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.